Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas with some Meeden white and some Meeden black wet paint added to it. And an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. And it really should not matter at all if one gets in the other. I'm going to quick like a bunny. Hopefully knock some of that right over the top edge. And then I'm going to put some in a puddle right down the middle. I've done two other paintings like this. This is going to be the one in blues and greens. There might even be some purple. I'm going to throw my spatula into the bucket, I hope, in a second. I've got swipe tools and palette knives this time. And I'm going to put a puddle of black, a squeeze of, a puddle of white, really, a squeeze of white, put some on the black side. This is, oh, that's Amsterdam. I don't want to use that. Oh well, no wonder it's not covering as well as it was. The Meeden black paint covers so well. So I'm just putting, it's basically a puddle that's free form. And I'm going to do a little bit more of the Meeden because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link that's on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link. It's under the video. So I'm going to let all of that sort of meld a little bit. Might be the perfect time for a marble, right? A marble or a golf ball. There, I'm done. Alright, so I've got some Chrysocolla. I was kidding. Some Chrysocolla from Color Art. It's a prism pour. I've got some electric blue from Arteza. Stop me. Somebody stop me when I'm ready. Some green gold from Folk Art. I'm really taking a risk using a whole bunch of colors. I don't need too many more colors, I don't think. This is Venetian blue. But I love all the colors I have, so it makes it really hard to not want to do that. I might throw a little bit of purple in, just like I threatened. I didn't put any gold in my last piece, and it turned out pretty well. Actually, I did put some gold in my last piece. I forgot. It was just a different kind of gold. I think that this is an Arteza silver, and whatever it is, it's a pale silver. I still want the purple. I tried to convince myself out of it, but I still want it. Matter of fact, I might use a couple. I have this other color that I made up. It's very, very pinky purple. Alright, now I'm going to use some Amsterdam black that has pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax added to it. I want a much, much bigger, I want a huge palette knife with as much of that black on there as I can get. And hope that I can keep my fingers out of the way. That worked quite nicely. Do I want to continue in that vein? I'm not sure. I have a pie spreader. I see a lot of blue. Boy, oh boy. Alright, I'm going to take my black. I'm going to let it fall right over the edge, right there. I kind of wanted this to look like water. I have a scrape dish. There we go. I meant to put that in here. I might have to do a small painting after this. If I can unstick the lid from it. Come on. Without putting the other piece in there. Okay. Now I'm right to the point where I'm having to choose one of my little tools. I think the pointed one. You can search these tools by putting tools in the search box on my channel, and it will show you the video, and you might want to look underneath the video anyway, because I often will put a link under there. That's the Amsterdam white with 4 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. That was a little clumsy, but it's still kind of cool. You need to have an excess of paint to float your tools on, or you have trouble. And that was trouble. I want some more blue over here, and I think I want it to be... You know what? I forgot my cobalt blue metallic, which is actually a turquoise. I'm going to use my smaller palette knife. Yay, I can find words. Alright, so that's kind of fun. It's definitely fun this way. I'm going to grab a little more black paint. Slide that way. So far so good. Not sure about this in here. Kind of looks like a heart though. I should have tipped it early on. I'm just getting used to doing this, so it's really me learning how much paint to use. But I'm going to tell you guys, there's 93,000 subscribers on my channel, even if not most of them are watching, and I really appreciate you guys sharing my videos when you get a chance. Really, really. That Priscilla wants to do something. Do I want any more? It's kind of weird there isn't anything else down there. So I'm going to put a little something else down there. Sorry, I'm quiet because I'm focused. Well, it doesn't look as watery as I was anticipating, but I can always do another, which might turn out to be more watery. I want a little bit more this right here, along with that. That was the Venetian blue, which is a metallic. I've hit my dish on myself. There it is. Not really. I just get very easily distracted. I want some purple too. Maybe some of... Yeah, I'm almost done, by the way. So check under my video for the link tree. It has all kinds of links on it, including my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Saatchi art. Did I say Pinterest? Yes, I did. Well, I like it. I'm not so sure about this part. But there's nothing to keep me from messing with it. I quite like messing with it. I want a little white in there. There we go. Got what I wanted. Alrighty, smears away. Almost done. That was probably unnecessary. So unnecessary times 2. Let's make it into something that's a feature. That's better. Okay, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I like this purple and I think it needs some more. And I like that there. And I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures because I like to leave my paint heavy lots of times. And GAC 800 protects it from cracking. Please love my videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate you sharing them if you get a chance. When you watch them longer, you tell the YouTube algorithm you like my channel and you want to see more of what I do. I see that little thing there though. I need a couple spirals, I guess. Yes, I think they'll help me out immensely, immeasurably. Perfect. Well, I don't know about perfect, but close. Okay. I'm so distracted, I can't tell you. My email address is underneath the link tree. Should you be interested in my paint pouring recipe or my cell activating recipe, that's where you'll find it. If you open show more and scroll down about halfway, you'll find that. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. If you're looking for my Facebook groups, they're on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the YouTube artworks from earlier. for you to see, and someday I hope to get caught up, but it's not happening yet. I like this one with its little spirals. I always like spirals anyway. I love you guys. I got some cleanup to do. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Did I say that already? I don't know. My community board has tomorrow's video on it. And I have over 2,000 videos organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you're looking for my Amazon link, it's on the link tree. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you shop my link tree, the first link is Le Gallerist, which is beautiful investment clothing from Montreal. If you're looking for something less expensive, spring clothing below the video has Oliver print t-shirts and Oliver print leggings. And Pixels.com and Fine Art America has t-shirts and baby onesies and all kinds of variations on a t-shirt theme. And much less expensive than Le Gallerist. But Le Gallerist is gorgeous, so check it out. It's beautiful. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the donations. If you're looking for the PayPal or Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner and use them, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video that I place on the end screen of every video. I think it's the upper left-hand corner, actually. I think that's about all that I can remember to tell you right now, except for that I love you again. I'm glad you're here. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I should zoom in before you're gone. This is a busier one. I think more colors make it more busy. But it's also pretty cool. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.